अब बाद में लाइए शक्कर. Hi guys, this is Anushka. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Firstly, Happy New Year's in advance. I know a lot of people are not celebrating New Year's this time because of lockdown and Corona. But I feel that it is just so important to dress up for New Year's no matter if you're celebrating it or not. If you are even celebrating it virtually with your friends or family, or if you're going for a party or you're calling your friends to your home, whatsoever, it's just so important to dress up. So I hope you get some inspirations from this video and go dress up, click some pictures for your Instagram, and do not forget to follow me on my Instagram. That is Anushka_Sethi. And without further ado, let's get into the video. So for my first outfit, I had to choose pink color because pink is my favorite color. So I chose this pink bodycon dress from Forever 21, and I'm pairing this up with a very cozy baby pink long coat. This is the same color of the dress, so it looks just all put together, and you can also be cozy in this. For the footwears, I'm going in with a pair of transparent block heels. I'll mention everything in the description box below. You can check that out from there. And I completed this look with a sling bag. Outfit number 2. How to turn an all black outfit into something interesting. So I had this shrug oblique shawl, or you can call this anything. I got this from Sarojini Nagar. It is just so warm and I love the tassels at the bottom. I paired this up with a help of a black belt to give more structure to this shawl, stole, shrug. And this is how it looked. I am completely loving this now, and I paired this up with tan colored boots to keep myself warm. Outfit number 3. I am very sure every one of us owns a little black dress. So this is a dress from Forever 21, and I am going to pair this dress with a grey shrug. You can also go ahead with a long coat or a trench coat or anything you want to, and then I'm going to pair this up with a grey color beanie, which looks so cute sometimes, but sometimes I really feel like a homeless kid in this beanie. I got this one from Forever 21 again, and I'm going to pair this up with my very comfortable grey boots, which I got from K-Love in Rajouri Garden. I'll still mention all the shops in the description box below, so do not forget to check that out. Here I am done, and finally I'm taking this silver bag with me, and I totally love the color scheme of this outfit. It is just so black and grey and so cozy. Next outfit is very basic but just so smart. So I'm going to pair this leather jacket with black t-shirt and blue denim jeans, which I'm very sure everyone has it. Then I'm going to put this black muffler around my neck. It just looks cozy and pretty. And finally I'm going to wear my black boots. इसकी heel 6 inch की है, which becomes uncomfortable, but it looks so hot in pictures, so I can bear with it. I can bear with the pain actually. And here is the final look. This next outfit is kinda my type because I really like my legs to be long, and this palazzo just enhances the length of my legs and I look tall in this. I also love the broad belt it has, and my stomach looks thoda sa patla because of the broad belt. And I've paired this up with a black top from Forever 21 and a fanny pack. So this is how I really want to carry this outfit, but itni thand mein I cannot. So I'm going to pair this up with a black coat and this is a long coat as well, but I wanted to give this coat a little more structure, so I went ahead with the same fanny pack and adjusted it, and here is the final look. I am so in love with this outfit. I totally love it. And for the last outfit, which I'm very sure I'm going to wear for my New Year's party, is this very cute black skirt with white sweater, which my friend gave me, by the way, and thigh-high boots which my sister gave me. And I totally love this. Like, I wanted to wear thigh-high boots for New Year's party from I don't know how long, and here I am done with this outfit. I am loving the color scheme and it just looks so hot. And I'm going to pair this up with a silver fanny pack, like a side bag, and this is the final look. Tell me if this looks nice in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you liked it. I hope you liked the outfit ideas, and if you did, give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and also a big shout out to my sister for giving me her room and helping me to set up this backdrop for this video. And I wish the best for you always. Thank you for always supporting me. Stay tuned for the next video. Bye.